Hello from a very sunny and quite warm Cadwell Park. Today I am here doing level 3 at California Superbike School. You may have seen the video of level 1 and 2 previously on this channel. So today we are learning more skill, doing more drills and taking you on a journey with us.
This time I will be on this, the Kawasaki Z900. It's a hire bike from the school because they are in partnership with Kawasaki and they have a host of different kinds of bikes, but I chose this. So today is level 3 of California Superbike School. That means that it's all about body positioning.
And don't we know it?
Don't we know it? Compared to levels 1 and 2, we had classroom sessions, breaks, track time, same as now, except that now the classroom sessions are on a bike. We're practicing the actual physical movement on the bikes.
That was very interesting.
Yeah.
I thought on a static bike doing all the movements were really hard work, but once you're on track moving, it was a lot more, well, I'll say effortless, but it was still hard work.
It was more natural.
But it was, yeah.
But it was hard work, moving that much on a bike. You can feel it. I thought I was tired after the first 2 levels of the school. Nothing like today.
Yeah, I agree. I thought the first 2 levels were more mentally exhausting because you had to learn a lot of new things. Well, this one is physically exhausting as well. And you're kind of building on what you've learned from levels 1 and 2. And now you're adding the physical side to it. So everything together, it makes for a much smoother ride and more fun.
And I feel like we've learned more on level 3. It feels like there's been a bigger step forward in terms of skills. That body positioning makes such a big difference.
I think you're right in terms of the level 1 and 2.
Yeah.
They were great and it definitely made my road riding smoother.
Yeah.
But today it almost like all fell into place with moving the body in the right way and what you can do with that.
One more session to go. This time we are basically putting everything together that we've learned throughout the day, trying to remember everything.
Yes.
Which I know I won't. But
you'll be fine.
Try and take it easy.
I think the last session is going to be probably the more all falls together into one place, but then maybe slower because, well, for me, I'm quite tired, so I don't want to overdo it.
Yeah.
So I think maybe slow down on speed, but maybe do more thinking on the last session.
Very much
might be I know. It's all gonna go to pot when I start riding on it. Yeah, it's been a great day and great value for the money. I think you learn so much. Cheap. It's not cheap, but you do get value out of it.
It's a big day.
Yeah.
You spend your money, but you get a lot in return.
Yeah.
And the bike hire as well. That again isn't cheap, you're talking 400 quid upwards, depending on the bike. But you get a brand new Kawasaki and you don't have to take your own bike out.
True.
It's not a bad deal.
So last session then, should we do it?
Go on! Go.